The teacher asked the children to mention the colors of their individual houses. It was such an exciting moment. Do you know that these colors are as a result of the paint applied to the walls of our houses? Oh yes, they are. Paint is a fluid mixture which contains suspended coloring materials. It is made from chemical processes and is a product of petrochemical industry. Wow, yeah, really good to know that. So we have learned that the paint industry makes use of a product made using chemical processes. Paint is a fluid mixture which contains suspended coloring materials. The main use of paint is for decoration and protection against weathering and corrosion. Thanks for joining today's lesson. See you in the next one.